Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. Guys, inadobo ko yung chicken feet. Ayan na. Medyo pinapatosted ko siya para maganda tingnan. Ayan na yung guys. Tingnan natin kung kakain si Habi. Siya ang nagpabili nito eh. Sabi ko, sige, adobo ko. Kaya kakain daw siya. Okay, tingnan natin kung kakain siya guys. Ayan, yung adobo natin. Masarap ang amoy. Medyo tested natin ng konti para medyo so, nilagyan na natin ng paminta, asin. Yan. Dinagdagan natin ng sugar konti. Tapos vinegar. Yan. Tingnan natin kung kumain si Habi niyan, guys. Yan. Sarap ng amoy, guys. Tinatosted ko para yung lasa niya sisip-sip. Hindi naman yung nag-ano si Habi ng sabaw. Yan guys. Guys, ilipat na natin sa pinggan. Lipat natin sa pinggan. Actually, paalis na kami. Kaya, binihisan ko na magluto. Dadalhin ko na lang siya. Doon ko ipakain ni Habi sa hotel. Baon natin yan. Dadalhin natin doon sa hotel. Hindi niya alam na niluto ko guys. Yan, surprise yan. So, surprise natin yung pakain ni Habi. Guys, roasted ko talaga dyan para medyo malasa. Yan. Tingnan natin kung kakainin yung adobo natin na chicken feet. Yan guys. Yan. Hindi natin inanuha ng sabaw kasi ayaw naman ni Habi sa sabaw. Yan. Mahilig siya sa mga fry kaya yan. Tingnan natin kung kainin niya yan. Guys, ang sarap po. Yan. Yan guys, tingnan natin kung kainin ni Habi yan guys. Guys, luto na yung natin, chicken feet. Tatawagin na natin si Habi. Kakain, guys. Titingnan natin kung kakain siya sa chicken feet. Yan na yung chicken feet natin. So yummy. Honey, come here.
Yes.
Come here.
Yeah.
The chicken feet is ready. Come, honey. You eat.
Oh, honey.
Come, honey.
Oh, it's okay.
Yan guys, si Habi. Ang itsura ni Habi ni Madruin. Why?
Well, because
so yummy.
You're Filipino and they eat those. Ricky don't know about eating those.
You don't know how to eat this? No, I teach you. Yeah. I teach you. So yummy this chicken feet.
Maybe a different day. I'll try them. Right now, I'm
dahilan si Habi guys. Ayaw na niyang kumain yun talaga. Binili niya yan sa atin. Yan guys, so yummy.
Oh my.
Pinbody. Huh? You don't like?
I didn't say I don't like. I just says that I don't know.
To eat, how to eat that?
Those feet are for scratching. I mean, for walking and stuff. I don't think they're for eating.
That is nice, honey. Why you buy that?
I bought it for you, honey.
Oh, okay. Thank you so
much.
Okay, thank you. Love you too. Yan guys, kainin na natin
When you
yung
cook them,
chicken
did they
feet.
dance?
Yan, nagagawa na naman siya ng istorya.
I think they dance.
Yan. Thank you for watching our video, guys. See you in my next vlog.
Say goodbye to
Bye-bye.
her in case she eats. So.
I eat. Yeah, I eat, honey. Bye-bye. Love you.
My.